Okay, in this video, we'll be adjusting the doors on an Ikea Smagora armoire or dresser, whatever you want to call it. And basically what happens is the doors on all the Ikeas, this one in particular, but on all the Ikeas are a little fickle. And while the doors themselves are perfectly shaped, and this is all square, the hangers on the door need to be adjusted to fix these gaps. So that's aesthetically, but then also you might hear a sound like this from this area right here. If you're hearing that sort of grinding, that means you've not adjusted the door properly, and you need to make a few adjustments to this piece right here. There's some screws here, and those over there. And basically between the different screws over there and how they're set, you can adjust how this door is hanging. Okay, so in Ikea fashion, here's the directions on what you need to do to adjust the doors. To move the door up and down, then you want to adjust the two screws that are holding the hinge to the side. To move the door forward and backward, that's towards you or away from you, this would test if it's flush against the front. You want to do this screw right here, the inner screw right there. And to move the door left to right, then you want to use that middle screw over there. You just need a little Phillips head screwdriver to do this one. I think I just have a little PH2. Okay, so here's the doors, how I just eyeballed them. You can see this one is a little bit low and a little bit too far over. This one is too far this way. That's why I'm getting the scraping when I open it. This one, no scrape, but kind of unsightly gap here. And this is not ideal. So this gap will be better when I move this one over. So make sure that you're adjusting for both doors, not just for the one of them. Okay, so the biggest problem is that the door gap right here is too much. So I'm going to get that screw and that screw across the 3 hinges, loosen them, move the door up maybe 1/8 of an inch. Okay, so I moved the door up and I tightened those 2 screws back down. You don't want to over tighten this. These are metal screws going into this kind of particle board or whatever it is that Ikea uses on a tiny little hole with a pretty good sized screw head. So if you crank it too much, you're going to mess up the wood. Here's what it looks like after I'm done. And yeah, that is pretty consistent side to side and no rubbing, anything like that. Okay, so now I have to adjust the second issue. That's the door rubbing in the middle. And you can see there's no gap here. There should be a little bit of a gap. Instead, it's flush. Okay, so basically you have this hinge that is holding these 2 pieces together, like this slider piece and the mounting piece holds them together. This piece adjusts how far away they are. So we're trying to push this inner one in to move the slider piece or the hinge piece away from the wall. Okay, so again, we were loosening up the big middle one, tightening up the little inner one to kick everything out. Okay, last thing is this door is kicked out a little bit, which is unfortunate because everything else is perfect. So we'll just fix this area right here. You see this, I'm looking at the side right now. It's just out, maybe not even 1/4 inch. Okay, so for this adjustment, you're gonna loosen up the big screw. That's the one holding the hinge to the plate. Then you're gonna move the door in and out. So actually move that hinge in or out. Okay, so basically what we did here is we opened up this one, the big screw. We moved this slider piece in this way, and that fixed the door. You may have to adjust this little one a little bit. It's when you move one, you sort of adjust the other, but that is going to be basically what we need to do here. Okay, so now we can see it's pretty much flush here, and we have fixed the top here. The middle is consistent. Open up this door, no sound. Open up this door, no sound. So yeah, that is how you adjust your Ikea Smagora armoire, dresser, whatever they call it. And this setup will work for many different Ikea bureaus and dressers and things like that. Anything with doors is pretty much going to use this. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching.